In this video, we will try not to mix avant and devant. So avant will be different from devant. And this is the reason why I think it's really important to take a few minutes to understand the difference between the two. So let's start with avant. So let's see a timeline like that. This is the time, and we'll see when to use avant. So let's agree that we will have, in fact, two events that take place, number one, before the number two. So this is the first event, and this is the second event. So let's take the sentence now. Fred est arrivé avant Vincent. So as you can see, Fred arrives the first, Vincent arrives the second. So in that case, you can say Fred est arrivé avant Vincent. Another possibility will be connected to the place and not the time. So just imagine that we're talking here about a street like that, and it goes in that direction. And then first you've got la librairie, and in second position here you've got le bureau de poste. So you can say in that case, la librairie se trouve avant le bureau de poste. And in that situation, of course, this arrow is extremely important because you are walking in that direction. So, la librairie se trouve avant le bureau de poste. La librairie se trouve avant le bureau de poste. So, let's have a look at devant now. So it will be exactly the same thing here. We'll take this interesting place concept. And here you have le restaurant. And now in blue here, you've got la voiture. Le restaurant, la voiture. So we can have the sentence now. Ma voiture est garée juste devant le restaurant. Ma voiture est garée juste devant le restaurant. And in that case, you really want to indicate where it is parked. So clearly it's connected to the place and not to the time. There is no timeline. There is no concept about time in that case. It's only related to the place. Ma voiture est garée juste devant le restaurant. Alors, let's have a look at this one because it will be interesting. You've got people here. People are waiting. It's a queue. It's a line. Isabelle is here. Caroline is here. So let's agree it's a line and it goes in that direction. You can say now, Caroline et Isabelle font la queue. Mais Caroline est devant Isabelle. So you're talking about the line in that case. Hein? Caroline et Isabelle font la queue. As you can see, many people are there, many people. Mais Caroline est devant Isabelle. So in that situation, it will be totally possible to say devant Isabelle. Caroline et Isabelle font la queue, mais Caroline est devant Isabelle. So let's agree that avant and devant are used in different situations. So try to remember how to use them properly and everything will be fine.